Omukoro gwo kwakira no kurayiza abebembezi ba Kadogo Community Polytechnic gwakorerwa omwitendekero Lieutenant Colonel Wilfred Adego olukutwara emirimo hawa second division ebinji bakumanya nk'amakenke nuwe yajebemberamu yanja kushobora wachi government yayombekere Kadogo Community Polytechnic.
The army leadership thought it wise to have this school established so that these children get opportunity to learn and come up to take position in the leadership of the then NRA, which is current the UPDF. As we talk now, the OGs and the OBs of Kadogo are now holding key position in UPDF.
Abashumi nabebembezi abatoranwa bashabwa okugira emico.
You don't work without discipline and you will excel. That one is no way.
A leader never dies. You, as long as you are alive, you remain a leader. And I want to hear that after living here, you have leadership positions elsewhere.
So that is a food for thought. We have quite often interacted with you.
Ebyo nanibizira mbwire obwabeje barukwetegura okutandika ebizame bitebekansibwe UBTEB nibajangu nebikutandika esabiti yo kubanza omukwezi kwa 11.
Siyuma mukuru w'isomero Major Jimmy Watiyum abo kutuberaho byona bitukuba ntukora
Awa TB West ni Senyomo Gideon.